And now we're on.
Okay, so the easiest way to start looking at the wing muscles is to find the one that's overlapped, and that is the extensor carpi obliquus. And so it's the only one. All of these are, running the full length almost of the wing, and so you can start with this one. And if you go one up above that, it's the pronator longus et brevis, and that's actually two muscles. So you go, this one is pronator, and this one's also pronator. So you just remember you skip one. And then right above that, this muscle, it's kind of hard to tell with all the flashes, but it's above that. That's the extensor carpi radialis. And so we've got extensor carpi obliquus, pronator, pronator, extensor carpi radialis. The really long muscle that's underneath this skin is the patagialis longus, and it's almost always going to have to be in the skin because it's so small that it will rip if you take the skin off. And so that connects into the pectoralis major. You've also got the triceps brachii and the biceps brachii. And then, so if we start back at the extensor carpi obliquus, if you go one below that, right here, it is the extensor carpi. So you've got the extensor carpi obliquus, pronator, pronator, and extensor carpi radialis. So if we're back at the extensor carpi, underneath that is the flexor carpi ulnaris. So it goes flexor carpi ulnaris, extensor carpi obliquus, pronator longus et brevis, pronator longus et brevis, extensor carpi radialis, patagialis longus. And then the only muscle that we have to know in the little forearm thing of the pigeon is the interosseous ventralis, and I think it's right here, but it's not, the skin hasn't been removed, so you can't really tell, but if he tags anything in this area, it's the interosseous ventralis, and that's all the arm muscles.
So it's been slipping out from under my